Hi everyone. Today I will share 2023 Prelim Exams Paper 2. I'll be going through question 1 to 3. Okay, question 1. Write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. 0.3, square root of 0.15, 1/3, and 5/9 squared. To do this question, the first thing that you have to do is to actually change all the different numbers to decimal first. So let's start. Right, 0.3 you don't have to change. Square root of 0.15, you will get 0.3872. The next one, 1/3, you will get 0.333. Lastly, 5/9 square, you will get 0.3086. Okay, it depends on how you want to compare it. All right, some students have different ways of comparing. I'll just show you how they do it. All right, some of them want to actually write down everything together. So 0.3, 0.3872. Next one is 0.333. And lastly, 0.3086. All right, based on what I have, I hope you realize the smallest is this number. All right, 0.3. Next, I'll compare the next three numbers. All right, it's all 0.3. So I look at the next decimal place, that is second decimal place. One is 8, 3 and 0. So 0 is the next one, it's smaller. So I have 5/9 squared. Left with two more, 0.333 or 0.3872. So 0.33. So it's 1/3. And lastly, square root of 0.15. So this is question number 1. Go on to question number 2. This is question number 2. Find the fractions between 1/3 and 1/5. I will show you two ways of solving this. The first way is to change the denominator to be the same. So I will times 5 here. At the other side, I will times 3. I hope you can see it become 5/15 and 3/15. All right, you are supposed to write a fraction between meaning middle of them. Between meaning middle of the two numbers. So in between them, 5 and 4, no, 5 and 3, you get 4 out of 15. This is one of the answer. I show you another way of doing this question. All right, 1/3 and 1/5. Another way of doing this question is to change everything to become decimals. 1/3 will be 0.333. 1/5 will be 0.2. Any decimals that is between 0.333 and 0.2, I just get one of the numbers, 0.3. All right, it's between 0.333 and 0.2. So 0.3, if I change it to become a fraction, it will be 3/10. All right, this is another answer for this question. Question number 3. Write the correct symbols so that it should be inside the blank box. To do this question, you must understand this and this. All right, look at this just like a mouth. You always want to go to the bigger, or you want to eat the bigger share. So where's the bigger number? Bigger number will be here. For these symbols, as for this one will be the bigger number. All right, treat this just like a mouth. So there is always eat a bigger share. So to do this question, first, you must find out the value first. 3.7 minus 2.38. I will get the value of 1.32. The other one is 1/3/8. Sorry. 1. Okay. 1/3/8. I'll get a value of 1.375. Are they the same? No. So I don't use the equal sign. 1.375 is bigger. So my answer will be this sign. All right, because I want to eat a bigger share. 3b. Write down the prime numbers that are bigger than 30 and smaller than 39. Prime numbers. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. One of it is 1, the other one is itself. All right, so based on what I have, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, once a number is more than 2 digits, the first number that I can remove, it will be all the even number. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next numbers that I can remove is also numbers ending with 5 or 0, because they can be divided by 5. All right, now we are left with only 4 numbers. 31, right? Think about it. What equals to 31? It's actually 1 times 31. 33, double digit, be wrong, because it can be 11 times 3. Next, I look at 39. 39, it can be 3 times 13. So this is not a prime number. And lastly, 37. 37 is 1 times 37. So our answer will be 31 and 37. All right, so this is a solution to question 1 to 3.